Hello friend, if you have forgotten login password of your Windows 10, 11 or 7 or Windows 8, 8.1, then you are in the right place. I'm going to give you a full tutorial how to reset the login password of Windows 10, 7 or 11. Alright, okay, just follow the guide step by step and you can easily reset the password. First, you must have minimum 8 GB pen drive. Okay, after having pen drive, then go to connect to the internet and go to browser, and here you have to download the higher-end boot CD and go to first page. Just find out here download option, click that and close the edge, and then here you can find out the higher-end boot CD. Just download. Okay, I have already downloaded, so I'm not going to download, and you can download the Bootable tool first, and then just click Rufus. From here you can download the latest version of the Rufus tool. Here is my higher-end boot CD, and this is my Rufus tool. This is the latest. Now what you have to do is you have to insert the pen drive where you want to create a boot. Insert that pen drive here. Then after, run this administrator, click As. Then after, select here the higher-end boot CD as file. Then click OK. Now this is the ready, and you can choose MBR. If MBR is not supported in your PC or laptop, then you can again try to the GPT. Okay, I'm going to use here the GPT and click Start. It may take about 10 or 15 minutes according to computer speed. Now this has been completed, and click Close, and after right click and eject the pen drive. Okay, let's try this. I'm going to shut down my computer. Then after shut down your computer and insert that bootable pen drive in PC and turn on, and press delete F1 or F2 according to your laptop boot key. Okay, you have to press boot key to open the boot menu, and after opening boot menu you have to choose your pen drive, bootable pen drive of higher-end boot CD. This is my bootable pen drive, and I'm going to click enter, and it's going on loading file. May take a few minutes to complete. Now we can find out it's going to loading the higher-end boot CD. Here you can find out initializing higher-end boot CD and higher-end boot CD. Okay, it's done now. It's checking the internet also. It will close automatically. Now here is the main part you have to know. Okay, don't miss this part. You have to go to the start menu start menu, click that. Okay, and after you have to go to the all programs, and here you have to choose security. Then after you can find out their password. Just please click their password, and you can find out tool here, laser software record tool. Okay, just click that, and you can find out here, and you have just click next here, simple, and click hash. Then after again click next, and here you have to select the account which you want to unlock the password or reset the password. Just click that and click next. I'm going to choose here my Zyojyo tag for demo. Click next, and finally you can reset and unlock. Just click that, and you have done this, successfully reset. Now click finish and shut down this PC. Then after you have to unplug your pen drive and try to turn on the PC. The password reset or not. It's turning on, might take a few minutes. It's loading on. Let's check password reset or not. Okay, be patient, friend. Watch the video step by step. Yes, the password has been set. Okay, friend, if you like this video, then don't forget to share, comment, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.